Hi everyone. What I'm doing here today is I'm making little butter pats that look like bunny rabbits. And so I'm going to show you how I do it. This is a regular candy mold. You can use any candy mold that you have. I'm not sure about the silicone ones, how they would work, but they may work too. Take a big blob of softened butter and just press it into the mold. And take a look at the back side to make sure that all those little areas in the mold are filled. And then go ahead and just scrape off all of the butter. I'll do one more. And if you have an offset spatula, that works very nicely, but you could probably use a butter knife. You don't want to scratch your molds. You don't use anything too sharp. And you could use any size mold. I guess you could make a large bunny too. So just go ahead and fill in all those spaces. Take a look at the back side. Make sure the ears are all filled. And then I'm going to put this into a zippy bag and put it in the freezer. So when I pop them out, they'll all fall into the zippy bag and I don't have to touch them.